Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back at you guys with another daily in-depth technical analysis. My friends, if you are not in the Patreon, check it out now. There are limited spots because something is coming. Something big is coming. This is an extremely important time to know what you're freaking doing in the markets. And if you don't know what you're doing, that's okay. That's what the Patreon is for, okay? Yes, I'm trying to sell you. I'm trying to get you in the Patreon because I know it will benefit you, okay? I have had way too many students that just watch these YouTube videos. I can post them once a day, but I can't do them on the fly. I can't let you know as my alerts go off when the good time to get in is with YouTube videos. But with the Patreon, it's a quick text. Boom, I'm in. You guys are in if you choose to be in. And we all make money together. There are major things coming, okay? Major things coming. Look at this volume right here. September 7th is the date we need to watch. Oh my gosh. I have heard rumors that August 29th, something major is going to happen in the crypto markets. Now, I'm not saying that is true. I'm saying I've heard rumors, and I do believe that they might have some validity to them. Based on just this convergence that we are seeing with technical analysis as well. I was skeptical at first, but then looking into it, the way the markets are going right now, the way the economy is going, something is bound to change, okay? Anyways, Dogelon Mars. This is an in-depth technical analysis on Dogelon Mars. We'll get into that. Join the Patreon if you don't know what you're doing or if you want extra guidance because right now we're extremely low, okay? If you're not dollar cost averaging in for the long term or hopping on some day trades right now, you are missing out on a lot of money. And it's major. It's major. Making $1,000 a day from not doing anything right now. It's actually amazing. Literally just sitting in my house making $1,000 a day because of trades. It's crazy. Anyway, Crypto Billionaire 69. Let's get into this analysis. Excuse the seriousness. I just wanted to get across we are in a time right now that we're gonna look back on and not dogecoin and really wish we bought more right now. Okay. Now, overall, I just posted in the Patreon, and I'll give a little bit, okay? I won't give all the information out as what I posted in the Patreon, but I'll give some information out. So you guys on the YouTube know a little bit what's going on. So Bitcoin right now is currently above these 24K levels, okay? That's good, very good. We were hovering around these 22s for a good while. We retraced and then bounced back off these higher lows. Now, we predicted this move. If you go back and watch the latest videos, we predicted this. Came down and it bounced off. It didn't even come all the way back down to these 20,000s, which makes me think it will come back down to these 20,000s because we're not seeing pain. We're not seeing that much pain in the market. And whenever the market does decide to reverse and go back up, it happens very quick within a few days. It doesn't stagger higher and then spike most of the time. It most of the time staggers higher, drops, staggers a little bit, consolidates in a lower range, and then spikes up when everyone least expects it. That is the normal play. It's a normal strategy. That is what most of the time happens. But if something really is going to happen on the week of August 29th, which it's looking like it's lining up. It's looking like that is a factual statement just simply because of this technical analysis right here. This is when it converges around the beginning of September. Right as we go into September, we might just see something crazy happen. Anyways, Bitcoin, it's very important to watch these $25,000 levels, okay? That's all I'm going to say. The rest is in the Patreon. And that's just a daily thing. But these $25,000 levels are extremely, extremely important. Let's get into Dogelon Mars. So we are consolidating. And right now, my friends, if you're looking at these charts and you're feeling a negative emotion, you have your mind in the wrong place. You should be looking at these charts and feeling holy shit, I'm missing out. I need to invest more right now. because right now is very, very important. Look at the volume. Look at the consolidation period. For example, there needs to be context because everyone has had different opinions and different experiences with stocks, okay? I'm sure a lot of you guys have gotten in at a low, then it drops even more, okay? But I want to give you some context on what we are actually looking at. Let's just go to Shiba Inu, the second biggest coin in the world right now. Meme coin in the world. And Dogelon Mars is the third. Candle chart. Look at where we were for a long ass time. Okay, this is where we are with Dogelon Mars right now. If we put these side by side, my friends, there's a major correlation between this, and it's just a rinse and repeat pattern, my friends. This is how people make money. This is how people with no money make a lot of money, and people with a lot of money make a lot of money as well. The only people that aren't making money are the people that don't get in early, and we are not those people right now. We are extremely early. Extremely early. A lot of people have heard of this coin, but they're just not investing because they're dumb. It's not because they're dumb. It is because they're dumb, but it's due to a lack of experience and knowledge. That's all it is. If they watch these videos, they would have certain insight that no one else would have. Look at this. Just look at the correlation, all right? It's major. It's very major. And this market cap, whenever Shiba Inu was at its low here, this market cap was 10 times or so about what Dogelon Mars is right now. So that means whenever Shiba Inu was at its low at whatever, 505, it was 10 times the market cap that Dogelon Mars is right now. That's crazy. And this is the third biggest meme coin. All I'm saying is the probability of this spiking 1,000% again is very low based on the market cap and how much hype it has had in the past. People like new things. And what's the next biggest thing? It's Dogelon Mars. Okay? I'm not saying 100% this is going to blow up. I'm saying it has the most likelihood of all of the other meme coins in the freaking world to blow up. Just look at the ticker name. Imagine this ticker name alongside the big boys. You're going to feel like an idiot. I would feel like an idiot for not investing in it. Just simply based on the ticker name, Elon. Okay? You can see that here. Elon. It just makes sense. It really does make sense. It's great marketing. Anyways, let's get into the prices of what we need to watch for today. Man, this is a very, very passionate video because some stuff is going down and it's going to happen. I just have a weird feeling. Every time I have this, last time I had this weird feeling was around these 17 levels in Shiba Inu. She is now here. 15. Last time I had a feeling like this, it was right here. Around these 17 levels, got out around these 60, high 60s, mid 60 levels, okay? A great gain, great gain. I invested $30 just for some play money because my friend was like, hey, put this in this coin. I invested $30 and I saw it shot up 50% in one day. So then I actually invested major bags and then it shot all the way up. And we got out right at the top, me and my buddy, because we were using technical analysis and strategies that I teach on this channel and that I will guide you through in the Patreon, step by step, real time, baby. Let's get into these price actions though, because this is extremely important. As we can see, we have broken through the bottom of this minor upward trend line. It's not very strong, and the reason why it's not strong is because the volume just simply isn't here right now. The biggest volume spike we've seen in a while was this green candle when it came up and hit resistance. The volume is just not here, and that's good, because whenever the volume does start to pop, whenever Bitcoin does start to go, whenever people start investing money into crypto again, then this coin will take off. Because it doesn't take that much money to move it from 181 million to 300 million, okay? Or to 400 million a 100% increase. All right, it doesn't take as much money as if you were to invest Shiba Inu. 6 billion market cap. It needs to go to 12. It needs to go to 6.8 billion. It needs to go to 13 billion. 14 billion in order to get a 100% increase on that. So you see the difference in here. There's much more growth potential in Dogelon Mars, and the downside is very mitigated right now because the volume is extremely low, which means whoever's in this coin right now is pretty much eating shiz, and they are holding their bags until it moves higher. This is the baseline. It's like when you flatline when you die. We're pretty much flatlining right now, and all we're waiting for is that jolt of energy when the doctor pinches us in the nipples, and this is gonna absolutely take off. That being said, let's turn the volts up because this is gonna be a crazy ride, my friends. We are just fueling up the rocket. Okay, prices. Currently, we're on the daily candle. I'm going to do a little swing trade analysis for all you swing traders out there. Horizontal line. This is the consolidation. Very, very conservative consolidation. Right here. 4452, 2743. These are the levels we need to watch. Now we could bounce around in these levels for a little bit longer until Bitcoin breaks out. Then we'll move higher. And oh gosh, we're gonna make a lot of money because if you get in now, let's just say you get in right now at 3, that means once it comes up to just this previous resistance, you already made 100%. That means if you invest 10,000 now, it comes up to this previous resistance, you just made another 10,000. Okay, 20,000 is what your portfolio is at now. But this is just the start, my friends. Like, this is when Bitcoin goes back up to 30,000. We're going to see a 100% increase on this. And getting in, do you think Bitcoin will, this is a real simple question. If the answer is yes, that means you should invest now. If the answer is no, that means you should wait. Do you think Bitcoin will hit 30,000 again? Okay, very simple question. Do you think Bitcoin will hit 30,000 again? Let's look at the charts, give you guys some more background. It's very simple. 24,000. 30,000 is right here. Do you think Bitcoin will hit 30,000 again? Ever. In this lifetime that we're going to live? Ever. Because if that happens, the likelihood of Dogelon Mars moving back up to these 6% is like 70%, okay? 70%. It's very, very high. 30% is if the major holders just completely dump their bags. And then this coin, the team just completely abandons it. And why the heck would they do that? There's no point. There's no reason why a team that has worked this hard would just shoot off all of their hard work for nothing, okay? All I'm trying to say here is if you think Bitcoin will hit 30,000 again, investing in Dogelon Mars would be a wise choice right now. Simple opinions from a crypto billionaire. This is not financial advice. I am not liable if you make a lot of money. All right, it's not me. It's you. Crypto billionaire 69. Yeah, this is what we're looking at right now, and I don't really know what else to say, so I'm gonna hop off the video. I hope this helped. Hope this put it into perspective for you guys. What's going on? What's really going on? Because it's gonna spike, and it's just a matter of time before it does. Everyone thinks it's not going to, which means it's going to very soon, most likely. Okay. Whenever people thought Bitcoin was gonna hit 100,000, look what happened. Look what happened. Now people think Bitcoin won't even. It's gonna drop to 10,000. We'll see. That's all I can say is we'll see. All I'm here to do is read the charts, inform you guys on what the best decisions could be, and from there, you make your own decisions. I make my own decisions and post them in the Patreon, and if you choose to follow them, that's you. Crypto being 69. If you're interested, I'll leave the link in the top of the description. You can also contact me at mycryptoboons@gmail.com. If you have any questions about the charts, about coin, about anything. Now, my time is very valuable, so if you hit me with a dumb question, I probably won't respond. So make sure you have it together. Get it together. Don't text me with some bullcrap. I got to help people out here. There's a lot of people reaching out. So I love each and every single one of you guys. Let's make a shiz ton of money in these markets. Crypto Billionaire 69. I'll catch you boys and ladies and gentlemen in the next video. Peace.